If you're looking for a better way to organize the back of your Cybertruck, this rear under-seat storage bin is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. It takes advantage of the unused space underneath the rear seats to give you the flexibility of either one large storage compartment or 3 smaller sections. Today I'll show you how to assemble it and install it in just a few minutes. I'll show you how this is one of the most practical storage accessories you can add to your truck. So let's get right to it. So as you unbox this, you will find the main 3 storage compartments, all wrapped in plastic, in addition to 2 smaller side bins that help hold everything together and act as a small little cubby to store small things. In addition, there are also included Velcro straps to attach it to the rear seat bar to hold it in place, a couple screws to permanently connect the 3 compartments to each other, and the instructions. And that's pretty much it. It's a very simple install. Let's get right to it. So the first thing you want to do is arrange the compartments in the order that they belong and just simply slide them into place just like this. This allows the screw holes to line up and everything to be tightly fit to each other. You can keep it this way if you oftenly want to consolidate these bins in case you're carrying something else in the rear of the truck, but for me it's going to be a permanent solution, so I'm just going to slide this in and put some screws in to completely lock it into place. So for putting that together, I'm going to use an electric screwdriver that I have, but a normal screwdriver works just fine. So we'll start putting each of the screws in. I believe there are 4 screws. Just quickly tighten them into place and do that for both sides. Alright, last but not least, let's slide these 2 storage compartments. Again, totally optional if you want to use them or not, but yeah. After this, let's head straight to the car. So the first thing you want to do is remove everything from your seats and lift it up so that it is in the storage position. Secondly, what you want to do is clear the floor of any debris or dirt, since this compartment will most likely be living there from here on out. And after that's done, you can prep the compartment to fit straight in. So what you want to make sure is that the compartments are lined up like this, with the taller wall being pointed towards the front of the vehicle. This ensures correct placement and the proper holes for the Velcro. And once you've placed it in place like that, you can grab the included Velcro and feed it through that hole like so. Essentially, you're going to be attaching it to that beam right there so that regardless of hard acceleration or braking, the compartment will stay firm. So essentially you feed it through that hole, loop it around that beam, and then Velcro it all together at the end, like this. Just like that, and you want to repeat the same thing on the other side. As you can see, it's a tight and firm connection between the compartment and that bar. Here's a little better of a visual. Feed it through that loop, and once that is all looped together, you are pretty much good to go. Just make sure that there's no slack so that it will be a tight fit. Perfect, and that's pretty much a very simple install. And after that, you can put the seats down and you can see how totally flush it sits. If you'd like to pick one up for yourself, please visit the link below and use the code to save yourself some money. Thanks and have a good one.